Did you know you can study in Iceland at public universities for a fraction of what students pay in many English-speaking countries? Here is the complete official guide for international students. My name is Ademola Michael Williams for One Nation Treasures, a travel consultant, legally registered in Sweden, where I reside. I am not affiliated with any embassy or Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Who can study in Iceland? International students from any country can apply to Icelandic universities. Most universities offer bachelor's, master's, and doctor of philosophy programs, with many master's programs taught entirely in English. You must first receive an admission offer from a recognized Icelandic institution before applying for a residence permit. Here's the good news. Public universities such as the University of Iceland mainly charge annual registration fees instead of traditional tuition. The University of Iceland currently charges approximately 100,000 Icelandic krona per academic year. Non-European Economic Area applicants also pay an application processing fee. However, Iceland is reviewing tuition policies for some non-European Economic Area students starting from 2026, so always check the latest university information before applying. Requirements vary by program, but generally you will need academic transcripts, proof of previous education, and your passport. You will also need English language proficiency if required by your program, and an admission letter from an Icelandic university. Always follow the exact requirements listed by the university you are applying to. Step 4. Student Residence Permit. If you are from outside the European Economic Area, European Free Trade Association, or Nordic countries, you must apply for a student residence permit before traveling to Iceland. Applications are submitted through the Icelandic Directorate of Immigration after receiving your admission letter. Financial requirements. You must prove you can financially support yourself during your studies. The current minimum requirement is 259,951 Icelandic krona per month in available funds. This is according to Iceland's official immigration requirements. Important deadlines. For residence permits, applications, and supporting documents should generally reach Icelandic authorities by July 1st for fall intake and November 1st for spring intake. Official sources. Use only Iceland Directorate of Immigration, island.is, and Study in Iceland official, study.iceland.is. Thank you for watching and God bless. Always remember that your greatest passport is knowledge. Bye for now, and I will see you in the next video.